As we head towards the end of the week, but only the second day of the year, we will see some improvement in terms of the snow. If you're sick of some of these quick moving systems, as we head into the overnight and early tomorrow, all of the earlier snow will taper down, but there could still be some slick spots on the roads. The next couple of days will still be cold, but mainly dry. And then we finally get a little bit of a warm up, a slight thaw into the 30s for a lot of early next week. Right now, we've been dealing with northwest flow on the backside of our cold front from the other day, and that's leading to the lake effect snow we've had so far today, along with a lot of the same thing happening across parts of the northeast. Overall, the big pattern, the big ridge and the warm air, well, that's stuck out across the western U.S., and the big trough, that cold air and low pressure, well, that's diving right across the northern tier of the U.S., and that's what we've been dealing with, this same general pattern for most of the month of December. So heading into January, doesn't look like a lot is changing just yet. But going into the next several days, we will finally see a little bit of a thaw. And even though that cold air will be flowing in the next couple of days, each day we warm up just a few degrees. 23 for a high tomorrow, still well below our average high of freezing, but 25 on Saturday and then 28 by Sunday, and the trend keeps going up from there too. Even though it will be cold, we're also going to be dealing with wind chill concerns as well, so as per usual, just bundle up with all of your winter accessories. Lows tonight should be in the upper teens and low 20s along the lakeshore. Most inland areas will be anywhere from around 12 to 17, staying cloudy with a lot of that lake effect snow ending in the early morning hours. Finishing the day with highs in the low 20s, still breezy. Double-digit winds coming out of the northwest means we're probably going to be feeling more like 13 degrees or so. But we do have one bright spot in the forecast, literally, because we will see a lot of these clouds clear for the very late afternoon hours. Some of us will get some partial sunshine. Some of us will get some decent sunshine, especially from 96 north through the late afternoon. So you may even need your sunglasses very briefly for tomorrow. We'll take any of the small ones we can get at this point. Saturday, we're still under this general northwest flow, which means a little bit of flurry activity is possible into the afternoon. I don't think a lot of this is going to be accumulating, and that system will pass by to our north and east as we head into early Sunday. And additional snow looks to be anywhere from maybe half an inch to an inch, perhaps some slightly higher amounts farther to the north, but we should not have any significant systems rolling through in the immediate future. The cold air continues to flow in, and even through tomorrow afternoon, we'll have feels like temperatures between 10 and 15, and we'll see them rise slightly into Saturday, not by a whole lot. It's going to take until the middle of next week when that big ridge of high pressure shifts a little bit, enough that we can start pulling up some of that warmer air from the south here into West Michigan, getting our temperatures from the 20s back up into the 30s. And we'll have that happen as we go into Monday with a high of 35. A system coming in will bring the chance for a few morning snow showers, but those should be out of the way before the morning commute. Tuesday, 36 with the potential for some afternoon showers or perhaps a light freezing rain mix. We'll have to keep an eye on that. But Wednesday and Thursday nearing 40.